Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, have a very, very Merry Christmas. Okay, I'm wishing you guys a very, very Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are having fun, meeting family and friends, laughing, talking, having a few drinks. Just for me, as I said, have a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous and happy New Year. Yeah. So, you know what? This is what I'm gonna do. I got this package about a month ago, a little over a month ago, maybe, and I just unveil it. Soon come. Look there. Ah! Listen, me man. Listen, me man. Listen, me man. Listen, me when me tell you. Listen. Listen. Sure, we done talk to you. Good and ready now. Referee. Blow whistle. Let's go. Yeah. People. People. It's been a sad year for Manchester United. A very, very sad year. And me say Barada come out and say, yeah, it's gonna be even, it might be even sadder next year. And while me understand the team is going through a hell of a transition from Barada to about a year ago, Jim Radcliffe to Amorim, Ten Hag situation, Rashford situation, Garnacho situation, Sancho situation. It's a whole bunch of transitions in and out of Manchester United. We can't keep a stable team if we build a stable foundation, if we create something. And so today we'll talk about the evolution of Manchester United and where will they end up. Where will Manchester United end up? Man, brother, man, tell you. This is the first time I went to Manchester United. I told you guys about early late last month. I went to Manchester United. Saw the trophies, multiple trophies. So these multiple trophies. Saw this. Oh my God, the stadium. And I know people talking about the stadium in a bad mode, and yes, it is. And I didn't see evidence of that while I was there, but the stadium is beautiful, fam. The ambience, everything about Manchester United just gives you that. But Anfield, shit. No, I saw the 4-0 win. Beautiful. But what I want to talk about is what Manchester United will do moving forward. Because honestly, I don't know if you remember, Gattuso, when he was a manager a couple years ago, he said, sometimes good, sometimes shit. And honestly, that was my honest assumption for Manchester United since Alex Ferguson left. You have times where they were sometimes so good, and then there were times they were sometimes so bad. It's like you cannot find a midway with Manchester United. You cannot see them struggling and say, all right, cool, them up, find a way to win. If I'm struggling, I'm going to lose. If they're playing well, trust me, they're going to pull out the win. And there's no middle ground. And the sad thing about it is, from coach to coach to coach, we keep getting the same message. And I do think I know what the problem is with Manchester United. The weight of Manchester United is so heavy for these guys. The weight of the club is too heavy for these guys. You put the jersey on, it's like 10 pounds more drop on your shoulder. You can't move left or right because what? There's a 10 pounder right behind your back saying, pussy, watch your back, you. And that is the Manchester United fan base. Because the Manchester United fan base have a certain series of expectations for the players. And if you're not providing those expectations, listen, listen. And I get that, fam. Growing up watching Sir Alex Ferguson pull out victory after victory, championship after championship every damn year, you have to say to yourself, wow, what the fuck am I seeing? What in the living fuck am I seeing, fam? What? Please tell me, because I don't know, blood. I do not know. And it's confusing to me. It's very much confusing to me, fam. I would like to know. I'd like you to help me. As I say, Gattuso said it well. Sometimes good, sometimes shit. And enough for all the talk at the press conference and giving big speech at the end of the game or before the game, whatever. Listen, I'm done with that now, fam. What I am looking for is to see the performance get better and better and better. I'm looking for in January the 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 rat, we call himself Ratcliffe, Barada, pull them head out of them ass. Since you want to get rid of the technical director, make sure so you put your money where your mouth is and bring players in. Luke Shaw needs to be replaced. Dalot needs to be replaced. Malasia needs to be replaced. Rashford needs to be replaced. Garnacho needs to be replaced. Mount needs to be replaced. I can name a couple more, fam. We need players in, get those players out. Yeah? Last year, we were saying what Chelsea is doing is unsustainable. Look what they're doing now. Look what the fuck they're doing now, fam. And they're playing some brilliant football. So what are you doing, fam? What are you doing, blood? What are you doing is all I'm saying. All I'm saying is what are you doing? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. People, I don't want to end this on a bad note. So let me end this with a very, very happy Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas so far. Hope it's going to be get better throughout the day. Have a very, very happy new year when it comes. Bless up yourself. Bless up others. Make sure you like and subscribe. Manaz.